Welcome back to the Pixel Pub. My name is Devin. That's not me. That's actually my son, Leo. He's just here to help. Either way, today we are unboxing a really cool new case, the Montech XR in white. They say that a good PC case should have three things: airflow, space for cables, and the ability to survive the emotional damage of your first failed cable management attempt. Now, I don't know who they are, but I trust them. That sounds about right. So the big question here, is this a clean, airflow focused case that you should be using for your next build? Or is this just another glass box that's trying to look fancy on your desk? Cheers, let's find out. Now, the Montech XR is one of Montech's dual chamber cases, which basically means that there is a front side where all of the pretty stuff lives, as well as the bottom side where the power supply, the cables, and all of those cable management mistakes live. And honestly, that's exactly how I like it. Not the messes, just the fact that we can hide the messes. Now, right away out of the box, you're getting 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, which is always a good thing. I love pre-installed fans. One, because you don't have to spend money to buy extra fans. They just come with it, but they're also pre-wired. You don't have to worry about all of the extra power cables, the extra RGB cables to plug into your motherboard, or maybe they go into a controller, or maybe you don't know where they're gonna end up. All of the fans are pre-installed and pre-plugged in for you. Now, you also get support for ATX, micro ATX, and of course, mini ITX motherboards, even though a mini ITX motherboard might look a little bit silly in a bigger case like this. But whether you are building a full gaming rig or a dedicated streaming PC, this should be able to fill that space just fine. Inside the case, there's room for GPUs up to around 420 millimeters long, which is basically Montech's way of saying, yes, your ridiculously oversized graphics card is probably going to fit in here. You've also got room for a 360 millimeter radiator, plenty of airflow options, and a surprisingly spacious interior for cable routing, which is always good. Again, because even with those good intentions, cables tend to multiply and manifest where you're never expecting, and especially when you're not looking. Now, the tempered glass on the front and the side panels make this a very great showcase as well. Perfect if you've got a really nice GPU, some RGB stuff you want to show off. I think that Montech cases look pretty darn nice. Inside the case comes all of the odds and ends that you might need to put this thing together. All of these screws, zip ties, and other necessities, as well as some Velcro ties to put this thing together. Now, this definitely feels like a little bit lower of a quality case than something like the Montech King 95 Pro, but that case is in a completely different category as well as price range. For the price, right now around that $69.99, the Montech XR is, I think, a pretty solid case with a modern design, solid airflow, plenty of room to build in. It's simple, and for that price with the 3 included fans, I think it's a pretty solid budget starter PC case. If you do want to see how this compares to the full Montech King 95 Pro case, if you're trying to decide between the two, make sure you click this video here where I unbox that one over there. We'll see you over there. Cheers.